Welcome to our channel. Long-term care insurance helps pay for extended care services, but understanding coverage is complex. Follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize benefits. Step 1. Understand what long-term care insurance covers, including nursing home care, assisted living facilities, adult daycare, and home health care services. Step 2. Review your daily or monthly benefit amount, which is the maximum the policy pays per day or month. Traditional policies pay $50 to $300 per day. Step 3. Know your benefit period, which determines how long the policy pays benefits. Options range from 2 years to lifetime coverage, with 3 to 5 years being most common. Step 4. Understand your elimination period, the waiting time before benefits begin. Common periods are 30, 60, or 90 days, during which you pay costs out of pocket. Step 5. Check inflation protection features that increase benefits over time to keep pace with rising care costs. This is crucial for policies purchased at younger ages. Step 6. Review care coordination services included with your policy. Many insurers provide care managers who help arrange services and ensure you receive appropriate care. Step 7. Understand the difference between reimbursement and indemnity policies. Reimbursement policies pay actual costs up to the daily limit, while indemnity policies pay the full daily benefit regardless. Step 8. File claims promptly when you need care by contacting your insurance company, completing claim forms, and providing documentation from your doctor, certifying you need assistance with activities of daily living. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.